Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin replacing the battery on your Dyson SV22 vacuum cleaner, you'll need a few essential tools: a Torx T15 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for dusting. Having everything at hand will make the process much smoother. First, make sure your vacuum is turned off and unplugged. Safety should always be your priority when working with electrical appliances. Start by locating the battery compartment, which is situated at the back of the vacuum. Using your Torx T15 screwdriver, remove the 2 screws securing the battery cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the battery cover off. It's a good idea to take a moment here to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside the compartment. A clean interior can help maintain your vacuum's efficiency. Next, you'll see the battery connected to the vacuum. Disconnect the battery by carefully pulling the connector away from the body of the vacuum. Be gentle, as forcing it can damage the connector. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Position the new battery in the compartment, aligning the connector properly. Push it into place until you hear a click, signaling that it's securely connected. Now, replace the battery cover by aligning it with the compartment and pressing it down gently. Reinsert the 2 screws you removed earlier using your Torx T15 screwdriver. Ensure they are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten and strip the screws. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember that we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team is here to help you understand any complications that may arise. After you've replaced the screws, it's a good idea to give your vacuum a quick wipe down. Use a clean cloth to remove any fingerprints or dust from the surface. Once everything is back in place, plug in your vacuum and turn it on. Test it out to ensure that the new battery is functioning properly. If it doesn't work as expected, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Remember, no calls, no travel. We aim to make your experience as seamless as possible. If you need further help, we can offer you a quote before repair, ensuring that you know exactly what to expect in terms of cost. In summary, replacing the battery on your Dyson SV22 is a straightforward process that can enhance the performance of your vacuum. By following these steps and utilizing the right tools, you can efficiently complete the task and enjoy a well-functioning vacuum once again. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.